Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bizco from the Amazing Digital Circus. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two curves up, leaving a gap in between. And then a curve underneath to close off each one. Now inside the left eye, let's draw a swirl around. And another one in the right eye going upwards. Next, we're going to hop underneath and add the mouth. Let's start with two bumps. And then let's add a long tongue down and back up underneath. And then a curve down in the center. Now let's hop back up and let's draw the shape of the head, starting with a curve across. Then let's continue it down on each side. And then let's curve it back up and in. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top and draw the hat. In the center, let's draw two angles up and out. And then from the top, let's bring it down and curve it up at the ends. And then underneath, let's draw another line down back to the head. Now inside the hat, let's draw a zigzag line across on each side. And lastly, a circle on the ends. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and add the body. Let's start under the head on each side and let's draw a long curve down. And then close off the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the clock. Let's start next to the tongue and let's draw a circular curve down and back up. Now let's add the Roman numerals around. Let's start with the 1 on the top right corner and then work our way around like this. Now let's hop to the center and let's draw the clock hands. Let's start with a curve on an angle. Then let's bring it out at the ends and a point to close it off. Now let's add another hand going down. Let's start with two curves down. Bring it out from the sides and a point. And that's it for the clock. Now let's hop out and let's draw the polka dot pattern on the body. Let's start with some circles all over. And that's it for the body. Now let's hop out and draw the hands. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve. And then another curve to close it off. Now let's draw the thumb with a curve down and up. And then a longer finger next to it. Now let's hop out and let's draw a curve down and in for the next finger. And then one more to close off the hands. And lastly, let's draw 2 lines inside. Now that we're done the hands, let's hop to the bottom and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 curves down and in on the left and on the right. And then a curve at the bottom. Now for the feet, let's curve it out and back around. And that's it for Bizco. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!